Hello, I'm Razia and I've designed a Farsi course for beginners using children's storybooks instead of textbooks. Children's storybooks are a great way to learn the language because they have a lot of repetition, they've got simple sentence structure and functional grammar and vocabulary that you can actually put into everyday use. As an adult, I've always learned better when I'm engaged with the subject matter, and children's storybooks have beautiful illustrations and multi-layered meanings that everybody enjoys. This course works best if you can read the Arabic script. So Urdu, Farsi, Pashto, Dari, and Kurdish are some languages that use the Arabic script. But if you want, we can learn how to read the alphabet together first also. I hope to see you all in my class really soon. سلام بچه ها، خوب هستین؟ من فارسی رو با داستان کودکان آموزش میدم و کتاب داستان کودکان رو خیلی دوست دارم چون هم مطالب زیبایی دارن، هم عکس‌های قشنگ دارن و این روش تدریس کردن زبان فارسی هم برای بچه ها جواب میده هم برای بزرگان، پس سنتون فرقی نمیکنه. انشالله که شما هم عاشق این روش بشین و با هم فارسی یاد بگیریم.